You can be the most effective safety professional in the world. You are useless without tools and equipment to help you along the way, to keep a pulse on the job. Things change on a daily basis, and DroneDeploy helps us keep that pulse. Hi there, I'm Joe Waltz, Senior EHS Manager, currently supporting the Safety at Protect Cold Spring Harbor Laboratories. This is a big site, so within the fence line, you're looking at about 9-10 acres. We've managed to cart out approximately 175,000 cubic yards of soil without any incident. We also managed to erect 3 buildings of 6, all right? With the help of DroneDeploy, we can plan logistics. We can plan logistics in terms of life safety, in terms of security. As the construction phases change and the job site evolves, plain and simple, we can highlight where the gates are. We can highlight where our muster points are. If we say report to gate 4, report to gate 2, for whatever reason, they know exactly where to be. We use DroneDeploy to show how things change. You're looking at it today, we're doing 280 yards today. So you're talking about approximately 28, 29 trucks. We use DroneDeploy to map everything out to make sure when game day comes, everybody knows what the play is. We needed to mobilize that crane. It was a full laydown from south to north. With the help of DroneDeploy, we were able to actually pull measurements. There was a tolerance within an inch. Once we get inside, those 360 cameras are gonna help me have eyes everywhere. They're gonna help me with things like elevator shaft protection, hole cover protection, installing all of the perimeter dense glass, the roofing, you name it. We remain well versed, thanks to DroneDeploy, on multiple fronts. I challenge everyone to take safety home with you. Don't just leave it at the job from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. because it matters all the time.